Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Vasant V, and in this video we are going to see some tips for passing the NPTEL final examination. So let's get into the video. So regarding the exam pattern, you're going to write your exam for 100 marks. For some courses the marks would be 75, but the tips which I'm going to give is applicable for all the type of courses. I'm just taking this 100 as an example to tell you how to pass in this examination. The important thing which you have to remember is there is no negative marking. You can always attempt all the questions. And we are highly expecting your question paper to be MCQ based. They have told that you might get fill-ups or definitions, but I think mostly it would be MCQ. That's the information we got from NPTEL and those who wrote NPTEL. So we are expecting MCQs mostly. And this is your last minute guide for passing the NPTEL. The first thing which you need to do is to make sure that you read each and every question from your quiz assignment. There are 12 weeks. Make sure that you have all the answers of the assignment in your fingertips. I'm not talking about the programming thing or the problematic thing. I'm talking about only the MCQ. Make sure that you have everything in your fingertips. You cannot mark it because they might change the value. Just know how it's done, how a question is done. Just understand the question. So that's the first thing which you need to do. And I believe that the NPTEL paper would be of a standard weightage. You have 12 weeks, so I believe that they would have given a standard weightage to each week, which means you will get 8 questions from each of the weeks. So you can choose any 4 weeks, preferably the ones which are in the middle, preferably the ones which has a lot of conceptual videos. Choose any 4 weeks and make sure that you understand all the conceptual videos in that. Out of 12 weeks, you are going to study only 4 weeks. You just don't have to remember everything. Just remember some of the important point your professor says, and that's enough. And finally, don't leave any question unattempted. It's not going to be a negative marking. There is no negative marking. So by luck, you might get half of the answers correct. So if you don't know a question, just choose whichever you like in that. So the 3 things which you need to do is you should master your assignment quizzes, and then you should at least watch 4-week videos, preferably conceptual videos. And then the final thing is, while writing your examination, you should never leave a question unattempted. And then you might have a doubt whether the last minute guide which I gave might be effective or not. From the assumption we made that your each and every week is going to get a common weightage for 100 marks, I believe that you will get questions from assignment for 30 marks. So you would be getting 30 questions from your assignments. We believe that from each week you might get around 2 to 3 questions, so you can easily score your 30 marks. From the videos which you saw, I mean, I told you to see 4 videos, right? 4 weeks videos. From that, you might actually not remember everything. You might remember everything. There is always, when you read in your last day, it's not a guarantee that you will remember everything. But if you see your 4-week videos, you will definitely get a minimum of 10 marks from it. From the 4 weeks, even if you don't remember all the things which you saw, you will definitely get minimum 10 marks because you have seen 4 weeks and it will give you the result. From random selection, let's say you have attempted only 40 questions which you know. These two come under those 40 questions. Remaining 60 questions you don't know. You just randomly select your options for all the 60 questions. By luck, you will definitely get a minimum of 10 marks from that. From all the 60 questions you randomly attempted, you will definitely get 10 questions correct. Minimum 10. If you are lucky, you might get 30 plus as well. From the assignments, you get 30 marks. From the videos which you saw, you get a minimum of 10 marks. And from the random selection, you get a minimum of 10 marks. 30 plus 10 plus 10, you get 50 marks. Your pass mark is 40. Even if something goes wrong in this prediction, you will still get 40. So be confident, and on your final day work hard, and I hope you get good marks. All the best for your examination. That's it about this video. We are doing a lot of videos like tutorials and some informative videos like these, so do subscribe us and support us. That's it for this video.